How to fix 12 DC to 220 inverter which is not working. If you try to plug the terminals on battery, the battery sparks. See, one of the MOSFET, it have that color, brown, burning color. Right, let's test switch off on the multimeter to diode mode. Right, let's first test one of the MOSFET and see the result. Right, it's showing me that it's shorted. Take a look. Right, again it's shorted. Let's go on to the second MOSFET on the, it's shorted again. So after you see this, you then have to remove. Let me show you how to remove. You need paste, soldering paste to you apply there to allow soldering to melt easily. But you need also to apply solder so that it will be easy as shown in the video. Look, I'm just using the gun, moving it sideways, allowing the solder to melt. Continue doing the same as shown in the video until it's off like that. We have managed to remove one MOSFET. Let's test it. Right, you see, it's shorted. It's shorted. Wow. Right. After you test this, we are going to remove the second one. I suspect that two of them, they are all shorted. Right, we are applying soldering after we have put paste. Right. After this, then we hold it with a tweezer. Let's hold it with a tweezer. Right. It's easy when if you hold it with a tweezer, it will be easy to work on it. Move your gun as shown in the video sideways until the MOSFET is off from the engine. Right, keep on like that. Keep on like that. Right, this is another method of removing. Alright, let's test the last MOSFET which we have removed. Right, like that. It's also shorted. So my good advice, if you see one MOSFET shorted on the inverter or on any machine, you have to, if it is set of 3 or set of 4, it's better for you to change all MOSFETs on that which are on the engine or the inverter. This will help you a lot, because you won't continue making mistakes, or you keep on repairing a part or a gadget, because if you want to save, it's better to take them all and replace with new. Right, we have replaced with new. This is what we are doing. These are new MOSFETs. 80% of problems on inverters are MOSFETs. Sometimes they get shorted. Either one, if it is a set of 2, or if it is a set of 4 or 6, MOSFETs are the main cause. So they are easy to repair. Thank you, viewers. If this video is helpful, please like, comment and share for more video of such content to come your way.